Okay, well, I promised y'all a video of starting this thing. We're gonna cut the grass, so we're cutting it. I don't know how they started in one pool, but I wasn't up to see it. So this one's turn. It's not gonna start in one pool, but let's see if it's gonna start anyways. So we put full throttle, which is this way, and I'll pull that cord and see what happens here. And again. Takes a while. Turn it down a little bit now. And try again. Again. Let me try with my left hand. Let me throw something different. Hold on. There you go. Fired. What the hell? Try a bit less gas here. Something's not working right here. Firing. Turn it down now. See what happens. Something's working right here. Yep. More gas. That's what it needs. More gas. We'll put it right about there. And again. And again. And again. Longer than I thought. Let me see if I can do it with two hands. Does that work? Okay. Now watch. Oh, I was there. Almost there. Boy, little less gas. was, honey. Get in there. What's wrong with it? Gee, let's start now. One more gas. I don't know. Maybe I'll start today, y'all. Let's see if I can get in.
Finished. You got enough in it?
I have enough in there. Yeah, I do need to fire. We'll try this again later.